Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today video we are going to see how we can check eBay tracking number. Now, when you sell or buy something on eBay, whether you are a seller and you ship the item or buyer waiting for your item to arrive, you'll be excited and waiting for the status of the order to be delivered or shipped. Once it gets to this moment, you will be revealed or relieved as a seller since the product has been shipped and the customer got it. And for the customer, you will be excited that you have bought that item and trying to use it. Now, meanwhile waiting, you will need to keep track of that product. How we can do it? Well, tracking item on eBay doesn't have really a number. Instead, as you can see here, there is a way to track your item. Now, there is two ways. There is track your item by clicking on in this button right here, which will be next to every order that you have bought or sold. Now, in case the person or the seller has been using like shipping that is basically has partnership with eBay like EPS, etc., then you can see exactly where your products are, and basically you can follow it throughout the map. Instead, if your product wasn't shipped through one of these things or tools or basically shipping methods, then it will be only some lines or text that will tell you, for example, it is out of the shipping location, it is now on the second airport, it is now, for example, delivered to the city and waiting for example, delivery guy to get it into your house, something like that. And yeah, this is only thing that you can actually check. There is no check tracking number and things like that. So yeah guys, thanks a lot and see you guys in the next video.